Welcome to this lesson on scatter graphs and correlation. Today we'll dive into understanding how these powerful visual tools help us analyze relationships in data. A scatter graph, also known as a scatter plot, is a type of graph that displays values for two variables for a set of data. They're essential for visualizing relationships and trends within our data. Now let's look at the steps involved in creating an effective scatter graph. First, you need to choose your two sets of data. Typically, one variable, the independent variable, goes on the x-axis, and the other, the dependent variable, goes on the y-axis. Remember to clearly label your axis. Once your points are plotted, we can start to understand the correlation, which describes the relationship between the two variables. In positive correlation, as one variable increases, the other variable also tends to increase. Think of hours studied and exam scores. Generally, more study time leads to higher scores. With negative correlation, as one variable increases, the other tends to decrease. An example might be the amount of exercise and body fat percentage. More exercise often means less body fat. When there's no correlation, the points on your scatter graph will appear randomly scattered, showing no clear pattern or relationship between the variables. Imagine plotting shoe size against favorite color. There's no expected link. Correlation also has strength. Points tightly clustered along a line indicate a strong correlation, while widely dispersed points suggest a weak correlation. The closer the points are to forming a straight line, the stronger the relationship. To sum up, scatter graphs are powerful tools for visualizing relationships and understanding correlations in your data. They provide invaluable insights for various fields, from science to business. Thanks for watching.